Good morning, students. Today topic 3.n combination of resistor, series and parallel connection. Here we know that the current through a single resistor R across which there is a potential difference V is given by Ohm's law. I is equal to V upon R. I is equal to V upon R. Simple rule for calculation of equivalent resistance of combination for series. Here we take two resistors are said to be in series if only of their one end is joined. Only on one end is joined means I resistor R1 connected with R2 connected with R2. This is a series combination of two resistor R1 and R2. Now for more than two resistor means three number of resistor connected with combination of series. So third one, this is R1, R2 and R3, a series combination of three resistor R1, R2 and R3. Now next, two or more resistor are said to be in parallel if one end of all the resistor is joined together. One end of means that one end connected with this all resistor, in this case R1 and R2. This is I, point A to B, total current I. Here current divided in two parts, I1 and R2 for a parallel connection. And in series connection current is constant for all points. So now first here we take potential difference across R1. Potential difference across R1, here we know that R1 is equal to V1 is equal to I into R1, because here we know that for in series connection current is same for A to point B. Okay, so V1 is equal to I R1, same for V2 is equal to I R2 and V3 is equal to I R3. Potential difference across in this case. Now potential difference V across the combination of V1 plus V2 plus V3, total V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to I common R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so here equivalent resistance of for series combination of resistor, equivalent resistance V upon I, so is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, equivalent resistance of for a series combination of three resistor. Okay, so if we had here we three resistors, so in this case now suppose we have a more than 3 resistor means n number of resistor. So equivalent resistance in this case, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus up to Rn for n number of resistor in series connection, n number of resistance in series connection. Okay, so here in this case series connection for this is. Now second one is for, here we consider parallel combination of two resistor, parallel connection of two resistor R1 and R2. Here total current I enter and divided in two parts. Means in this case potential difference V is constant between potential difference point A to point B is constant in this case. For series connection I is constant, potential difference is difference V1, V2, V3. Now here for in this case potential difference is same but current is changed I1 and I2. So total current for 2 I1 plus I2. The potential difference A and B, Ohm's law applied to R1 is equal to, here we know that V is equal to I1 and R1. Also apply for the Ohm's law for R2 resistor in this case. So V is equal to I2 R2. Okay, so total current I is equal to I1 plus R2. I2 is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2. So is equal to, here V common, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay, same for the equivalent resistance. Here we can write I is equal to V upon R equivalent. R equivalent means is equal to 1 upon R1, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. So here 1 upon R equivalent resistance for parallel combination R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now same for 3 number of resistor connection in parallel. So in this case V 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So equivalent resistance plus 1 upon R3. Okay, now we can reason similarly for any number of resistor in parallel. Suppose here equivalent resistance of n resistor is 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus up to 1 upon Rn. This is the parallel connection of n number of resistor. Topic 3.11 cells, EMF and internal resistance. So first one we discuss cells. In cells case, here we all know that a cell has a two electrode called positive and negative. In this case a potential difference for a positive V is greater than 0 between itself Now for a negative potential relative to electrolyte, adjust to has the same potential throughout, so that potential difference P and N, potential difference between P and N, here we know that for positive potential difference minus negative potential difference is equal to positive plus minus. This is difference is called electromotive force, means EMF. It is called electromotive force, means EMF of the cell, and it's denoted by symbol E. So E is equal to V plus V minus greater than 0. Now E is actually potential difference, not a force. E is potential difference, not a force. So the potential difference between P and A plus potential difference between A and B plus potential difference B and A, means in this case total V is equal to, here we know that, means EMF, note down in E. EMF is potential difference between positive and negative electrode in a open circuit when current, when in this case no current flowing through the cell. If however R is finite, I is not 0, means I is equal to not 0. So in this case potential difference between P and A and V is equal to V plus minus V plus V minus IR, means here small r is internal resistance of this cell, internal resistance of this cell. So is equal to EMF minus IR. Okay, EMF minus 9 I minus IR. Note the negative sign in this expression for the potential difference A and B. This is because of I flow from B to A in the electrolyte, from B to A of current direction. Okay, in practical purpose here we know that internal resistance of cell in circuit may be neglected when current I is in such a case that very EMF in this case very small in this case. So actual value of resistance of the cell vary from cell to cell. Internal resistance of dry cell is much higher than this common electrolyte cell. We observe that V is potential difference across R. We have from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So combination of, in this case, IR is equal to E minus IR. So I is equal to E upon capital R plus small r. The maximum current that can be drawn from a cell is for R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0 in this case, equal to 0. So maximum current flow. However, in most cell maximum allowed current is much lower than this to prevent permanent damage to the cell. Okay. Topic 3.12, cells in series and in parallel connection. 3.10 we discuss for resistors in series and in parallel connection. Now in this topic, cells in series and in parallel connection. So firstly here we discuss in a series connection cells. So first in this case cell E1 internal resistance R1 point B. Now second one is cell E2 and internal resistance R1. Direction of the current is from C to A. Okay, direction of current from C to A. So in this case, potential, first we calculate potential difference between cell E1 A2 between A and B. Now second is potential difference B to C, potential difference B to C. So in the first case, potential difference between AB is equal to, here we know that for VA and VB is equal to E1 minus I R1, E1 minus I R1. Similarly for between potential difference between B and C is equal to B and C is equal to E2 minus I R2. So potential between terminal A and C of this combination means A and C means equivalent resistor, equivalent in this case equivalent potential difference for the terminal between combination of this total equivalent circuit in this case. Okay, so total difference, potential difference A to C is equal to, here we know that E1 plus E2, E1 plus E2 minus I common R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. Okay, so in this case combination of between equivalent resistance means this we can write equivalent. Okay, and in this case equivalent resistance, internal resistance of this cell. Now in this case this is the rule for series combination of case. So first one, here we see that equivalent EMF of a series combination N cell is just sum of their individual EMF, means N number of cell. So total equivalent resistance E1 plus E2 plus up to E and EMF for N number of cells, for N number of cells. Same for internal resistance, N number of resistance. So R1, R2 plus up to Rn plus up to Rn. So equivalent internal resistance of series combination of N number of just sum of internal individual internal sum of individual internal resistances. Okay, so this is the cells in series connection. Now for the parallel, again same. Now for the parallel connection, positive negative, positive negative. In this case A and C point, this one is B1 and B2, EMF E1 internal resistance R1, EMF E2 internal resistance R2. Okay, EMF E2 internal resistance R2. So in this case here total current for the enter, in this case total current I divided in two part, I1 and I2, and leave this portion total current I, means I is equal to I is equal to I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, let B1 and B2 potential B1 and B2 potential at B1 and B2. So considering the first cell potential difference across terminal B B1 minus V B2. So V is equal to same for E1 minus I1 R1, just because of total current divided in two part, I1 and I2. So here we can write E1 minus I1 R1. Same for point current, exactly similar to the cell for the second one cell. So second one cells is V is equal to E2 minus I2 R2. Combination last three equations. Here we know that I is equal to I1 plus I2. So is equal to I is equal to E minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. E1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. Okay. So is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon. So here V is given by, in this case V is given by is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 minus I R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. If we want to replace the combination by a single cell between B1 and B2 of equivalent EMF and internal resistance R1, so single one equation V is equal to I equivalent minus I R equivalent. Now E equivalent is equal to, here we know that E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. Same for R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So we can put this equation in a simple way. 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay. Same for EMF equivalent upon R equivalent is equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2. So now in this equation number, this one and this equation, for internal resistance, here we take only two cells. So internal resistance R1 plus R2. So here we take n number of cells. So in this case equivalent resistance of, in this case, plus up to 1 upon Rn, and in this case plus En upon Rn. Okay.